Okay, I think in the EE class, I provide some of the no-read, the PDF of the installation. I'm sorry, it is in the Chinese, but here I would like to say, please follow my step. Okay, the first step, you need to go to the Node.js website. This is a Java environment. Okay, so please install the maybe the 12th version, the LTS version, because it's much stable for the most users. And download, and you can, if you already download, please install that. Oh, sorry, my computer a little bit late. Besides you install this program, maybe you can set up the Arduino with the LoRa first. Of the MQTT, if you already have the procedure, so maybe now you need you should find some of the message from the MQTT. What is the problem? My computer not working anymore. Okay, so please install the Node.js first. It just install the next. I think it's very easy for you. And meanwhile, you can during the installation, you can set up your Arduino first. Because today I need to check every group can upload to the ThinkSpeak your data to the ThinkSpeak. So right now, let me check MQTT. Is any groups already upload to the MQTT? So let me check. Oops. Okay, subscribes. So what is the frequency you send to the LoRa? You already showed it, but now I'm not sure. Oh, okay. G2, right? Okay. So make sure that every group can upload to the MQTT by yourself. Okay, and the next, if you already installed the Node.js, okay, please follow my procedure. Okay, please, if you are Windows system, there's a CMD, command line window, CMD. the command line window. This is my Chinese, but please open with the administrator. Open with the administrator. OK， 你们开启这个命令提示字元，用系统管理员身份来做开启。But I think in the Mac, maybe you just open the terminal. Okay, but you need to maybe as you do the highest the administrator. Okay, and then right now we try to install the Node through the Node.js. So please type the command line here, npm install and the G with the Node. Okay, now type the red command here. Okay. Can it be run now? What is the problem? Okay. So if you already type the command npm install G, and now it is automatically downloading some of the package for the Node installation automatically. But I think still need a little bit of the time for the download. Okay, let me check. So, you already downloaded? Okay. So meanwhile, you can install your own Arduino device, and please make sure that everything can upload to the MQTT. Okay. So why? I think you can at the same time, because I need some time to download. So you can use that. So I think you already finished, right? You already installed. Okay, so you already installed the Node?
Yeah, because I took the full version because I didn't know which version.
I see. Okay, so right now maybe you can type the Node to see if you can trigger the you still need to keep and all the
Je vais aller sur le système. Il ne signe plus. C'est vrai.
These are the design and command or staff command.
already installed this.
Yeah, maybe there was no internet. So.
怎么接这个？对 ，OK， 参考他们一下。对。它会结束，就会显示结束，它应该会这样子。 应该会结束，但是我现在好像没有什么反应呢，为什么？我不知道。Is anyone already? You finish? Okay. So if you already finished, please type. Just type the no rate to check if you can start the service of this no rate.
And then you just check here. One where you want the
I found my computer a little bit slow
only
for downloading.
on the PCC.
Do you already type the npm install? In the first line here, the red line.
Yeah. Because I was like doing this one.
Yeah, npm install. Yeah, you need to type npm.
Ouais, c'est bon.
Trop bien.
So you can find MQTT. Oh, yes, it's okay. I think you may need to type the Okay, yes, and then type again. For the npm install.好，已经开起来了，怎么办？Okay, okay, good. This is just the small size of the but this is the narrow, the nano. So when you connect to the computer, this is one option we need to choose the port name. I mean, for the original, we choose the Arduino Uno. Okay, but if you plug this one, you need to choose the Arduino Nano. Okay. No, not fine. Really? Nano, yes.
Of course, I will.
Maybe you need to close the game. Can you open the device manager of the Windows device manager? Okay, I think I already installed the no-rate. So if you already can see the information and type the no-rate, so to start the service of the no-rate, and then later I will show you what is the no-rate interface. Okay. So maybe let me check it. Okay, so if you are already finished the installation of the Node-RED, please type the Node-RED. Node-RED to start the service. Okay, and here, right now, we can use the Node-RED directly from the website here. Okay, if you already type the Node-RED, you can find this is the message that the service already start. So please copy that the website and type to your maybe the Explorer here. 107.0.0.1 and port is 1880. Here you can find the interface of the Node-RED. This is the graphic program interface. Okay, so this is a very different for your maybe the C or the Python, but somehow this is a fusion. You can still type some of the Python program or the Java program. Okay, so maybe later we will have a very quick example here. So right now, if you already can open the Node-RED interface here in my lecture, I would like to show you open data from the EPA, Environmental Protection Agency. Okay, and this website show the PM 2.5 or PM 10 data directly on the internet, so you can get the JSON. Anyone know that what is the JSON file? No? Okay, so let me see here. Oh, a little bit late. Okay, because in the next, I would like to have a very quick exercise to teach you how to use the Node-RED to capture the information from the internet. Here, this is the sample of the JSON, and you can find this is a string type, and here this is the one line of the information. Let us enlarge this one. Okay, so you can find this is a JSON, and you can have your own definition. Then, for example, the site, and this is the categories name, and this is actually the attribute for the Pingdong. This is the Southern Taiwan. county, county, and this is Pingdongxian. This is a site. I mean the station name. Okay, and here PM 25 means like the observation of the PM 2.5 data. So right now the result is 16. And here, this is the data creation date. Just in this morning, okay? Oh, no, it is the April 21, April 21, okay? I'm not sure, not updated quickly, okay? And the item unit is the milligram per cubic meter, per cubic meter. So this is just the expression of the JSON. This is an example. So later I will show you how to use the Node-RED to capture the data from the website. This is the open data. Actually, should be the data right now, but I'm not sure why this is not updated. But we can website and get some of the information you try to capture. For example, I try to capture maybe from the Taoyuan. I would like to know what is the PM 2.5 observation in the Taoyuan city. Okay, so here let us to do the example. So please again for you, if you can go to this website, please open the JSON, the link here, and please remember this website link, the address of this website link, because later we need this website link. Okay. 这个，你们here I have the okay, I have the link here in my lecture. The chapter 7, the page 78, 677. All right, this is the link, and please check the JSON, the website link. Okay, 可以吗？有没有问题？ Any questions so far? Okay. Okay, so please follow my step. I would like to show you how to program using the Node-RED. So first, the beginning here, you need to have the inject. For me, why this is in the Chinese? I'm not sure why. Can I change to the English? Let me check. Okay, please. You just can drag all the component in the left side. Here, this is your component in the graphic environment. So first, please drag this here for the time step. And you can trigger this program with the start of this time, maybe repeat interval. Maybe I would like to say 5 seconds or 10 seconds is okay. Okay, so you can have this with a repeat interval, set up a repeat interval, maybe 5 seconds, okay? And the next, here, we try to capture the website. So we have a function of the HTTP request here. HTTP request. And you can find if we use the mouse to the node, you can use the link to the next. It's very easy to link. So please try by yourself. You can find the node change to the red. So that's why they use the no red. I don't know. Okay, but you can have the link to the next step of the HTTP request. Okay. And let us to finish all of this. The HTTP request, double click. They will show some of the most very important attribute you need to have. So for the first, we can have some of the methods. So for this step, we just try to capture the website. So we use the GET. And where is the URL? I mean, the link of the website is just, I show you on here. This one, the JSON with all the station of observation in Taiwan. So please copy that and pass to the here. Okay. And the final, please choose the return, because when you capture this website, you need to choose what kind of the data you try to return to the next. For example, I think we already choose the JSON, so we use the past, a past JSON object. Okay, and done. I think every setup I already show on this in my lecture, so you can follow my lecture. Okay. And done. And the next, this is I think the most important for the Node-RED, the powerful one, because you can write your own program by yourself. For example, right now I try to write a function to capture maybe one line that belong to the Taoyuan observation, and the capture, I mean, scan all the website. I can find some of the item I need to check out. So for example, I check the function here and double click this function. For example, I already show you on my this one, so everyone can follow this. Okay, I just quickly show you the idea. For the data, this is the variable. I create the data from the message payload, because every message going to into the Node-RED, it is the message payload first. Okay, and I try to scan each line of this JSON file, right? So it is very easy if you maybe learn some of the Java or the Python. You can use this. The data objective, I try to scan for each line. And next is a very easy function, the local function. I try to scan if each line, I mean the site, you already find like in a JSON file, there is a get category site, right? I try to find a site and try to find if this is the equals Taoyuan. I'm so sorry. Maybe you can direct pass. I know that. You can pass here.
Okay.
Okay, direct pass, copy and paste.
The first one?
Can you see the Chinese?
Yeah, which one do you have? The whole thing?
The Taoyuan, any place you can use the any place you can use the. Okay, so for my example, I try to find the Taoyuan. Taoyuan, where is the Taoyuan? Not so easy to find. Oh, here. Okay, site with the Taoyuan. Okay, so maybe you can choose any station by yourself. So go back. And if you already scan each line and okay, the Taoyuan is your site you try to capture. And the next, if this is okay, true, and please, I create a message with the sub group PM 2 point and the link to the actually the observation of the PM 2.5. Okay, so means that when I scan each line and maybe okay the site equal to Taoyuan, and then I choose the data of the category of PN 2.5, and here this is the number. This is the number of the 27. Okay, for the observation. Oh, right now it is updated. Okay, the date is today and 9 o'clock, 1 hour ago. So maybe I need to follow because I also need to type this. Okay, so please follow my step. VAR, claim a data objective and equal to the MSG payload. Okay. Okay, so for someone not finished, please follow my step. Okay, and this data objective, I try to scan each line. Okay, and with a function to check out each E and the I. And for this, I claimed a very example way of the if this E site, sorry, equal the Taoyuan. And then I would like to have a messenger PM 2.5 with the E and in the category with the PN 2.5. Okay. So I just finish. Okay, done. So I finished this. Okay. So sorry, you may need to have your name. Maybe I found a string. I use the found string as my name. Okay, next, you can check. You can check the payload. You can check the payload. So finally, you can check the payload by yourself. But however, we just use the payload with the 2.5 PN25, right? Because we use the sub category payload messenger PN 2.5. 2.5. Oh, sorry. Here, is there any? So if you okay, you can click the deploy in the right up corner. But if you type some of the error, because I don't know, yes, right now, capture the observation of the PM 2.5 from the Taoyuan station. Okay, it is 11. It is 11. Okay, you can choose the different station by yourself. So right now I just repeat all the sequence in every 5 seconds, right? So this is the environment of the node RED. You can create your own program just on this website. This is a very easy environment for the program. System error, something wrong?
Yes.
你要看我的讲义，那个可能这个是有点错误，可能有点，我后来觉得它好像有点错误。然后你那个网址要贴对哦，要贴的是 suggested 的那个网址。不行，不行。后面。试试看你可以吗？但是很容易。Is there any questions? Yes. Oh, because you already have this one. Oh, okay. Maybe this is a problem because the employee they will run those below 1 and 3. maybe you can set the flow 1 and delete at 10. Okay. Can you do that? I'm trying to. You're trying to just directly send to the internet? Yes. 吧？
有招我打，有一个很差的。
你达到中文的逗号，E 跟 I 那个。半逗号。再看一下网址。Okay. I think this is just a very quick example for you to understand the node-RED, how to program with the node-RED. And right now, next, I would like to show you how to use this to capture the MQTT data, from the LoRa. Okay, so you can capture that and upload to the ThinkSpeak. But before that, we need to install some of the module to upload the ThinkSpeak very easily. So please, still you need to open the node-RED. And here, one of the option, manage palette. Manage palette. And okay, you can directly find thing. Okay, sorry. You can find the ThinkSpeak, one of the ThinkSpeak, but I don't know why I can type. Can you type? Oh, okay. ThinkSpeak. Okay, so please install that first. You can type the ThinkSpeak for the keyword for the searching the module, because there's thousands of the third-party modules. So we should find a good one. So this is a ThinkSpeak that already built for the node-RED as a third-party module. So please install. Okay. Click install, and then it's very easy. So maybe next you can find ThinkSpeak here, a new module on your left side. ThinkSpeak module. Okay, because later we need to use this to capture your information from the MQTT and upload to the ThinkSpeak. Upload to the ThinkSpeak. Okay, so let us to find the next program. Okay, so let us to do this simultaneously. So first, okay, you can have another flow. Okay, everyone, you can have a different program, what we call the flow at the same time. So you just create a new flow, okay? And the first one, you need to capture the MQTT. This is the MQTT in, okay? MQTT in. And don't forget, type the MQTT broker information here. So we need to type, maybe this is our NCU, LoRaWAN. Okay. And the connection, where is the host? Let me check. Okay, here. 140.115.6.1.211. Okay. And don't forget to have a security, because you need to type the name MQTT. Right? This is the username and the password. And the topic. Let us to check. Oh, sorry. I don't remember what is the topic. Can you tell me what is the topic? Oh, here, LoRa/RxPK. LoRa/RxPK. Okay, so this is the basic information for the MQTT broker. So we add the broker. Also here, this is the topic. Sorry, I think we left the topic here. We can left the topic here. Okay, LoRa/RxPK. RxPK. Okay. And right now, you don't understand what is the QoS. This is the quality of the service. Never mind. Later, maybe we can discuss with that. And done. So here, you can capture the LoRa. Capture the LoRa. I'm sorry. Capture the data from the MQTT. Okay. And the next. So here, if you're not trying to let the flow one, I mean the original one, maybe you need to stop. Or stop that and deploy it. Okay. Okay. So right now, is there anyone still upload to the MQTT? Only group 2? Group 1 already upload to the MQTT with your Arduino? Not yet? Third or fourth? Oh, please, you need to make sure that connect to the LoRa, because I try to confirm each group can capture your own data by yourself. And in the same time, maybe we need to finish the rest of the LoRa. Okay. And for here, we trying to capture the information, from the MQTT and divided into the string. So here I just use a very simple function, CSV, change to the data from the MQTT into the CSV. Okay, so here this is a very simple one to let the data into the CSV here. Okay, and then I would like to divide it into the CSV according to my favorite. Okay. So for example, right now, for each group, for my last time suggestions, each group maybe you need to have your data as a CSV, the common separate format. For what? Maybe for me, I would like to use the 0 as the identification first and comma. And maybe this is my temperature. Upload to the MQTT. For the first group, you may have your own data, like the also the temperature. But right now you add one more, is that the inclinometer in the X, Y, and the Z. So maybe this is 0.1, 0. And this is 0.2. So for the group 1, you need to have your own identification because every group will upload to the MQTT at the same time. So how can you distinguish your own data? You need to have your identification firstly. So in your Arduino, you need to write down the program with the identification first. Okay, and then this is your 4 observations. And for the group 2, maybe 2, and for somehow 1, 2, 3. You have a 3 data set by yourself. So next, I would like to say, for this is my example. Here, I also try to find the data from the MQTT. And if, I mean, the data already separate into the CSV format. So the first column, I mean the column 1 here, it is very simple to see. If my data, the captured the information from the MQTT, if the first column means this one is 0, yes, this is my observation. So right now I have the 2 information. The first one, the column 2 is the temperature. The column 3 is the humidity. Okay, so let us. And here I just return the payload, but you can actually return the payload at the same time because the next I try to upload to the ThinkSpeak differently. So maybe here you can have the same program at the same time. Oops. Oh, it's too small. Okay. So right now, I also try to have our own function here, function 1, because I would like to check. Okay, so this function, I would like to check with the data for the temperature. Okay, and of course, preset. Is there any questions? My data message hello. Okay, and if my data, the first column is 0, and then I would like to have a message of the temperature first of the my data. The second column. Okay, this is, I think it's very easy. Okay, and return the message, the payload message. Okay. Okay, with the temperature. Okay, only temperature return. Okay. Is there something wrong? My data. Here, this is a very different. You need to use 3 times of the equal symbol. Okay, and done. Okay, so this is my first one. Okay, and the next, I would like to say, I would like to try to upload the data to the ThinkSpeak with the first channel and the first field. So don't forget, let's go back your ThinkSpeak here. And in the last time, I already said that you can use your own API key. So don't forget, copy your API key for writing the data into the ThinkSpeak. Okay, and how can we do that? Using the Node-RED. Okay, so let us to find the installed module here, and just click and then have the name, because I just upload to the temperature, and you need to use the key, right key here, and which field, because I just create 2 fields. The first one is the temperature, the second one is the humidity. So I just upload to the first one field. So this is my temperature. Okay, I already finished. But you say, Professor, I have maybe the second one. So we can copy that. Just copy, Control C, Control V, and you can have a same time and change here to the humidity. Okay, and this one is the humidity. Okay, this is my in the data of the third column, right? Okay, so then return a message of the humidity. Okay, down, and the next, upload to the ThinkSpeak. Upload to the ThinkSpeak with the field 2. Field 2. Okay. So this is my result. But right now I don't have the data, right? So how can I prove that? How can I prove that? Oh, where is my? So right now, because on the MQTT, I don't have my own message here. So maybe I need to check again. Oh, oops. What is the problem? Because I can use synthetic information directly on the MQTT. So I just use this example, 85, and have a publish. Here, this is my information of the MQTT. So if this no red have the result from the MQTT, so should we have the data into the ThinkSpeak? So let me check, is there any data to the ThinkSpeak right now? Not yet. So let me try again. Can I capture? No? Okay, maybe I need to check out the status. Debug. Okay, because I'm trying to verify that is there the result from the MQTT. Okay, so can you find the MQTT messenger of mine? No, I mean I just yeah, it's a synthetic one. Yeah, can you see that? 有没有同学看得到吗 ？MQTT 的，你们手机看得到吗？吗？没有。能连线吗？Or can you see that? 有吗？你有，这个是你自己跟我自己打的。哦，那你就要打你是第四组。好，那要用确定那个一样是这个组。Okay, because you can publish at the same topic, so please make sure that you have LoRa, also LoRa/RxPK. Okay, and publish. This is the synthetic data. What? 你现在已经在上传了吗？还没。没关系，我是说。啊。 Okay, so right now we have the data from the number 4 groups. Yes.
By sometimes it works.
It's not connected because security. Like you don't need the client. Check out. This is okay. Still right.
Sometimes I will see something.
Oh, really? Okay.
Sometimes I should see the Instagram. Oh,
Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. But right now you use the G2.
Yeah.
So
I have to.
you change the G2, right? Check again. If you can find a G2, it should be in the. It should be shown in this message.
What do I?
It's not because if you you just okay, you can try it. If you I'm aware that maybe this cannot find the G2, so maybe you can just change it to a very simple one, the 2, number 2. Okay, okay for you guys. MQTT 20这个，对，还蛮方便的。手机都可以，其实任何的 MQTT 都可以安装。So I don't know if I can find myself. So let me check again. Publish. And supposedly I need to find my message here. Okay. And supposedly I should have the data here. No, still no. Why? Do you have your own data on the ThinkSpeak? Not yet. Let me check by myself. Undefined because seems not. Undefined. Sorry, I still cannot. Let me check because I didn't install the program in my computer. I just installed a program in my office. So let me check the previous one. Parole 没有错。Okay, sorry, parole. And check out the data. Sorry. I just because the typed the wrong name. You meet the T. Okay. So should be okay right now. Still undefined? What is the problem? Sorry. So maybe I need to type all this. Is this okay for you? Not yet.
Same as you. I think the function doesn't work.
So I'm trying to figure out what is the problem. Because in my computer, it is okay now. You can find here. I already distinguish. But I don't know why is the problem. Let me check. And maybe we can have a very quick rest if you cannot finish this yet. It's still not. Not defined, not defined. Why? Let me check. Oh, sorry. Maybe you need to include the last line with into the if. Maybe check for this can help. You already have this. Let me try again. Humidity, temperature. Let me check if I type it wrong. Temperature. Still undefined. Why? So what is the problem? You still cannot work in? Let me check. Still undefined. But right now, everyone should make sure that your Arduino can upload the data with the LoRa to the MQTT. So make sure that you already finished that already. What is the problem?
Hope so.
Yeah, I think I can find the column, but somehow right now I don't know why. I just cannot check the data. Okay, is there anyone okay with that? 还是不行？先是 Go got 100。
Parce que
有一点有2个。
I think I know
Where is the bug? Because in the next time I can do upload the
here we take the message from here.
yes.
But we should take the message from the CSV. So we cannot read the column, right? I don't know, but here is the one I have from this one.
Yes.
But here we are reading what this one.
Yes.
So this one is like
I know including the
but we never have column. How can we read here?
in the date.
This object. Is it this one?
This one is the original. This is the JSON file.
So there
I
is-
just changed it to the CSV. Yes.
So here we take this one,
Yes.
JSON, and not the CSV. So there is no column.
No column. No column.
So here you have column in this one.
But here I just changed the JSON to the CSV and then use this
Yeah, but
function to read the column.
In this variable, what is this variable?
This one is the column.
Ah, really?
Okay, yes. If you cancel that, you can see the result. Yeah, I think already into the column. Just CSV. Yeah, you can find it.
Yeah, but is it this one?
Yes.
Does
yes.
it read this one?
Yes, I read
Oh, yeah.
from after the CSV. Yes. But I don't know why, because right now you have 4, 2, 2, 2, 2. But I don't know. In the last time, it is okay for me. But I would like to say, you need to check first with your LoRa can upload to the MQTT. So, can you? Can now upload. Some of the
really software.
I think maybe you cannot find the port of the actual. Can you use the computer to check in case the port 用上一次就是那个 LoRa 的那个。So maybe there's a sum of bugs. I still cannot finish right now, but at least I think every group should have at least upload to the LoRa directly. So right now, can you upload it? Yes. 是你说从这边送到 MPT 呗，不行吗？不是，我是说就直接摆上去，不是是按所以现在看办法是几秒钟，对，说这里是来为主这个是你发布才有，但是这个的话是你要定时1秒钟就要出一次，就是那些这里有上传。Yes. Which one?
I mean, this one.
Yes.
Can't do anything.
Cannot do anything.
There's like.
Oh. Maybe you need to reopen this website.
对，就是这个光。不用。username is it? Please help me to debug because in the last time 2 days ago I just okay. I don't know why. We can try to yes. Just the problem here. I just wanted to read whether I need to and so it's not even the same. Yeah. So even the first line is the read the real column data. Yeah. And I mean like I thought even when I do this it doesn't return the message. The variable like this is the variable. Yes, and I want to return the variable like this, right? You say should be the same. Yeah, I should have two things here. And I have only one. I think like just this one. This is object. Yeah. I think we should change it. Yeah. And set this maybe they have to check out. You already have your data. Okay. So can you upload it? Okay. So we have the same questions. You should see the okay. So I don't know. One pin. I mean the TX.
Alors c'était pour installer le truc, ça fait erreur d'installation et Python. J'ai aucune base à
Right now, this is, I mean, the message. This is the message here, right? So in the MQTT, you should find the not yet. You should find the one, but it seems like no. 你们那边接线处理掉了吗？没有，不知道哪里出错。都是你们好像都是同样的问题耶。Check the change the ISTX for the test. C'est comme ça.
用啊，你那个另外一个 CHIH-CHUNG 最近的这个是9分钟，另外就是不用，就给他的电脑。没有变那边。Okay, I think we almost finished the class today, but if you try to debug here, it is okay. I can help you to finish the problem of the Arduino. And let me check the no rate program, and I will upload to the correct one, because in the last time I checked, it is okay for me to upload to the 6 speed. Okay? So class dismissed.
Wait, no, this week, is already here. Je sais pas quoi, je sais pas tous les temps. Je vais pas montrer ce que tu voulais dire, en fait. Mais je veux bien nous révéler, mais je préférerais qu'on fasse ça, genre, je préférerais qu'on fasse ça en compétitif, toi, en physique, c'est un peu dur, alors, on va le téléphone, quoi.
Je te demandais comment dire sur le capteur.
You mean a no rate?
Yeah, maybe you should write it.
Moi, j'ai rien sur le téléphone.
Because the function with the code, maybe it's not, it's the function because the end.
I'm not sure. It's similar.
Maybe last year it was different. I don't know because it's not the same.
I think maybe the Java first. Java first.
Java?
Yes. Okay.
Tu l'as déjà utilisé ce programme?
You show me the okay message.
Ouais. Oui, on peut faire.
C'est quoi?
Okay, okay, sure. Okay, push the. Okay, thank you.
So maybe you need to find me. I need to give you the money.
Okay.
The next time. Okay. Okay. 你在这边，对。Change the DX. Reverse. Okay, so right now you can upload to the MQTT. Check out this. 所以你们刚才这样有到 MQTT 啊？
有。
好 ，check out。
Start.